Next stop.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. It's Vlogmas day. What day is it? Is it Vlogmas day 8? Yeah. Vlogmas day 8. And look how Mr. Outlaw is starting the morning. See, he can do for himself, you know. Hand wash everything. Hand wash everything. Yeah. So you see him there, pinning out his clothes, hanging out his clothes. Everything scoops. Everything scoops. Hand wash everything.
See, young lady, I see, I make the blow dries.
Mama.
I greet it. Everything I come from the side.
Yeah.
Greatest.
Yeah, see him there?
You know what I mean?
Hand wash out everything.
Yes, man.
All his wipes. Yeah, so guys, Vlogmas day 8 today. What do you say? It's a quiet, well, we haven't really got nothing planned today. Chill, little cooking and, you know, these kind of things. And that's it, really.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Stay home.
Let's see what happens.
I'm still going to see what I want.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's clean like that. Like glass back there.
People outside washing. People, what happened?
I don't know, that's something I got, you know. That's something, yeah.
Yeah. So I was boiling some peas because I'm cooking rice and peas today, and rice and peas can eat on any day of the week, people. Don't make them tell you it's just Sunday. I was boiling some peas with rice and peas, and look what, gas ran out.
Yeah, until we still watch TV and look around us up. I'm going to see the stove. Still look like it, and I'm going to on fire.
Yeah.
That's what I said. Go on, I need this, I'm trying to get it off. I'll try it again, I said no. Like that. Even
Gas
like
ran out.
How long has gas serving?
Well, we've had this gas for over 2 months.
Over 2 months?
Yeah, over 2 months. Yeah, gas used to last us a month, right?
1 month, 4 weeks.
1 month, see? Gas lasts us 2 months. So we can't complain.
No, sir.
So Outlaw's going to go and get some gas now.
Right now.
Yeah, I think the peas are soft still. I think the peas are boiled, I think so.
Yeah, man. Right there far from it, man. That's what we're going to come back right now. We don't have to wait for the gas shop.
Yeah.
Let's go around and come back.
Yeah, he just brings the tank and gets it, huh?
Easily.
Something we have to deal with. Gas run out in the middle of your cooking. Yeah.
Yeah, my people. You know what thing going on? Man, I have to say. datmisehtv, though. Are we in here or we in here? Good. So you are going now. These are Sasha cook some rice and beans today. So you know we have to go too far for coconut. Coconut, the right of my yard, right in front of my yard. Watch me now. Pick a jar of coconut for yard.
Can you set the machine in the thing?
Your coconut. I'll box it out for her now. Put the thing together.
Oh, what did I follow you around here?
That's fine. Good yourself. Put this thing together now.
So you can take the man out of the country, but you can't take the country out of him. Huh?
These things happen.
quick. Yeah. So he's gonna grate that.
Yeah.
He's not blending it. He's gonna grater it
Yeah.
and do it the old-fashioned way.
Oh, original way, not old-fashioned way. Original way.
All right, the original traditional way. Excuse me. The traditional way. Traditional way. Let me see.
The original way is the original way. The blender we look for in the grater, not the blender.
It's the same thing, love. They both do the same job, but you want to do it the traditional way? No problem.
You can't send it in 1 second.
Alright. That for my rice and peas, people. For my rice and peas.
Yeah, pick out them thing, you know. We have a grate of coconut. These are going to get to cook our thing, you know. We have got the original way, you know. Yeah. No thing, bro.
People, remember you used to grate and you grate it and it mash up your finger then? Grate off a piece of your skin.
Something that happened to him. That ain't look a pieces up.
Yeah.
Mash it up. When you want a good taste in your rice and peas, you have to go on that some.
So you finish grater?
Yeah, we finish grater now. So we have to do the thing that we have to get the real taste in your rice and peas. That these are going to do right now. So I'm going to strain the thing and show you what I'm done. That's everything there.
Yeah.
Grassroots of the thing is there now. The real part of the thing.
Guys, look, this is what Outlaw has squeezed out. Hey everyone, I'm in the kitchen. It's hot. It's so hot, but let me show you what I'm doing in the kitchen. So the peas pot there, bubbling away, ready for rice to go in there soon. Over here, some chicken in the pot bubbling. Yeah, just made a homemade coleslaw. No shop bought coleslaw around here. We don't do that. Saying that, you know, in Jamaica I've not seen a ready-made coleslaw. You know, in England you can just buy the ready-made packed coleslaw, but in Jamaica I haven't seen it. But I've got homemade coleslaw here. I'm gonna fry up some plantain. Yeah, a little more from this. Yeah. Alright guys, my rice and peas here. Rice and peas good round here, nice and shelly. Yeah. Hear him now.
Too good, man. Shall I something to cook?
Can you save some of the chips for me, please? Oh. Yes, dinner's cooked. I'm ready to eat. Outlaw's not quite ready yet. So my rice and peas, stewed chicken, fried plantain, and homemade coleslaw. Outlaw made a salsa juice earlier. So guys, this is me right now. Yes.
So she rolled up and thing.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, there's something.
Stop!
She rolled.
Babe, stop. Stop it.
You don't want to see her.
Just end up the vlog, please and thanks. Please end the vlog.
When I was on prayer, give thanks to life. I saw what things set up. Remember, like, share and subscribe and all these things. You can do something on the side, you can do something on the side too. But yeah, them something that's wrong, so.
Guys, don't listen to him. Do not listen to him. Don't listen to him. But do what he says. Like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads. But don't follow him about how I'm round up. Please. It's just because he's overfeeding me. He's overfeeding me. Honestly, he's overfeeding me. But guys, Vlogmas Day 8. Watch out for Vlogmas Day 9 tomorrow. Let me see.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz.
If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.